We're asked to calculate the second quartile of the data set. So a quick function here is to just click copy to keyboard, or to clipboard I should say. Then bring it over to Google Sheets, and then you can right click and paste. Gives you the full data set. So this doesn't look exactly pretty. Let's see what we can do. You could, I think the best way is probably, just to make sure we don't lose anything, put everything in one column. You still could do it by just clicking and dragging, but it's going to have some empty cells, and I'm just not sure if Google Sheets is going to treat those as zeros or not. Okay, so I put everything in one column, and if it asks you to find the second quartile, that's just the median, okay? Like if it wants you to find the first quartile, you just need to type in equals quartile, open a parentheses, click and drag the data set that you want, put a comma, and then put 1 for first quartile. So there it is. There's your first quartile. For the second quartile, you can use the same function. Select the data set. I think if you just click the column, it works. Let me just make sure. Yeah, clicking the column works. Okay, that's the second quartile, which is the median. So for this question, 38 people is the second quartile. Let me see if I can find another one like that. 5 number summary I covered in another video. 50th percentile, that means where the median is, right? Because the median tells you where halfway is in your data set. It's where 50% of the numbers are below, 50% are above. So this question is asking for the median. If it says 75th percentile, that's Q3. Okay, so you'd want to do equals quartile, do your data set, and then 3. So remember the 25th percentile, that would be Q1. Okay, this question I found though is asking for the 30th percentile, so that's a little bit different. So let's copy the data set to the clipboard like we did before. Come over here, gonna right click and click paste. So there's your data set. So to find a percentile, find an empty cell, type equals percentile, open a parentheses, click and drag all the values of your data set, then put a comma, and then this is where you enter the percentile as a decimal. So 30% is 0.30. So there's our 30th percentile. You can use that for any other percentage that they're looking for.